The highlights are Instagram's featured stories. They have a name that describes them and an image. That image is the cover. They must be sufficiently attractive and clear about the content of what you will find from the person who clicks on some of them. A story lasts 24 hours, but the stories featured will be available as long as you want. You can also assign a name that does not exceed 15 characters. Even if you want your followers to see the full name, you must shorten it to approximately 10. It is essential to customize the covers of your Instagram highlights to generate style and brand coherence. Also to avoid confusion of their followers and optimize their use of them. Instagram takes by default the image of the first featured story. This is not recommended for several reasons. It does not stand out and does not continue the style of your brand or your company. In many cases, it confuses it. That's why you must create an image that correctly represents what you want to highlight. To design them, you can create similar covers while respecting elements such as color, typography, image, icon, logo, or use different covers by adding an element in common. Add your cover as an Instagram story. Highlight the story that corresponds to the cover. Press the heart icon with the label Highlight. You now have the option to create a new feature story or select an existing one. You must locate that cover image that you created in the options you choose. If it's an existing story, what you should do is an update of its cover. Inside the featured story you want to update, go to Highlight icon and then to the 3 points that appear in the lower right corner. You have 3 options: edit cover, rename history featured, or delete those that you no longer want to be displayed. Select edit cover. Choose the design you created and it's ready. This same process you will have to repeat with the rest of the covers you have created.